Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you step by step how to build your very own to-do list in Google Sheets. Whether you're completely new to spreadsheets or just want to make your lists more interactive, by the end of this tutorial you'll have a colorful, functional to-do list that automatically updates as you check off your tasks. Ready? Let's get started. So let's assume you've already got your basic data typed in. Maybe you've listed your tasks, due dates, or priorities. If not, quickly jot down a few things you'd like to keep track of just so you can follow along. The real magic happens when we add some simple but powerful functionality to make your to-do list not just usable but enjoyable. First up, let's make things easy on the eyes. It's so much nicer to work with a to-do list that's organized and visually clear. To give your list a little pop of color, click and drag to select the main area of your to-do list, the rows and columns where your tasks live. Now head up to the Format menu and choose Alternating Colors. You'll see your spreadsheet come to life as rows trade off between gentle shades. This subtle coloring not only looks good but makes it a whole lot easier to scan through your tasks, especially if your list gets long. You can pick from the preset styles or customize the colors to match your vibe. Just take a moment here and see how much more inviting your task list feels already. But let's not stop there. To keep everything neat, let's add some borders. While your list is still selected, find the borders icon in the toolbar. It looks like a little square made up of 4 segments. Give that a click and you'll see a few options for which sides to border. For most to-do lists, a grid border works really well. Select that option so every cell is neatly boxed in. Borders may seem like a small thing, but they really help separate your tasks and prevent your eyes from blending details together. Alright, the next part is where things get even cooler. Let's add some actual functionality to your list so you can mark tasks as complete and see them update automatically. Here, how next to each task, pick an empty column, let's say column F for this example. Click the top cell in that column, then go to your Insert menu and choose Checkbox. Instantly, you'll see an interactive checkbox pop up. Drag that down to fill the whole column for each task. Now you have a quick way to check off items as you finish them. But here where the magic really happens. Wouldn't it be great if your completed task showed as crossed out so it's crystal clear what's already done? For this, we'll use conditional formatting. Select the range of your task titles, then go back up to Format and choose Conditional Formatting. In the panel that appears on the right, you'll look for Format Rules. From the drop-down, select Custom Formula Is. Don't worry if this sounds a little advanced, I'll walk you through it. For our example, type equals F1 in the formula box. What this does is tell Google Sheets to watch your checkbox column. When a checkbox is ticked, this rule recognizes the ticked box. Now for the fun part, find the icon that looks like ins with a line through it. That's the strike-through style. Select it, click Done, and watch what happens. Now when you check a box next to a task, the task text automatically gets crossed out. It's a super satisfying way to see your progress, and it keeps your list up to date at a glance. And there you have it, a functional, stylish to-do list in Google Sheets built from scratch and ready for all your tasks. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a like, and if you have any questions or want to share your own tips, drop a comment below. I love hearing how you're using these tricks. Don't forget to subscribe if you want more easy tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.